Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Straight Tech here, and today we're gonna be applying a screen protector on my OnePlus 8T. Now, you could pick this one up on Amazon as of right now on sale for $9.74. Usually it goes for $13, but like I said, it's on sale due to Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So if you have an Amazon Prime account, you can get this for the low, and it comes with 3 screen protectors and 2 protectors for the camera bumper here. So I've never tried putting it on any of my phones before for the camera, but we're gonna try it out for this one and see how it is. So this one has a lot of good reviews on Amazon, and I'm gonna give it a try and see if it actually is a good product. So it's called a GESMA. I think that's how you pronounce it. GESMA tempered glass screen protector. So we're gonna open it up now and see how it goes. So it comes organized in this little box. So stick film installation tools. OnePlus 8T. This is probably for like a little camera bump. Another one. So it comes with 2 of these and 3 screen protectors for the front screen. Bunch of other stuff, and here are the screen protectors. So put that all to the side. So you get 3. Here's 3 of those, and then 2 of these. So let's see what comes in here. At least they come kind of organized. Usually they just throw the stuff in a box and that's basically it, but they actually put everything in a little bag, and it's coming pretty organized. So here are the little sticky notes where you could take out the little particles once you're about to put it on. So the alcohol prep pad and the little bit microfibers right here. It comes with 3 of them actually, so that's pretty nice. So I'm gonna be using the one that I have over here because it's a lot bigger. So put that to the side. So we're gonna be cleaning the phone as of right now. So let's give it a try right here. There you go. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit with the alcohol pad. You might as well clean the whole phone with this because it's an alcohol pad. So make sure you guys keep your phones clean out there. You know, while all this coronavirus is going around, just clean your phone. Make sure you always have a case on it so you won't be dropping it just in case. Go back to this. And I can still see a lot of particles on it, so this is where you get the little sticky substance here, fold it here, and this one you could just take them out little by little so there won't be no bubbles once you install the screen protector. Yeah, there's nothing more annoying when you almost get a screen protector on it and there's always like a few particles there that makes it create a bubble and the whole screen protector is ruined. So that's probably one of the most annoying things when you install these incorrectly. So good thing it comes with 3, just in case you mess up once, you can try again. It lets you know which part you take out first. So the punch hole is on the left side, so you're gonna have to take this part out. Once that's out, kind of line that up. I like turning on my phone so I can see exactly where the punch hole is and lining it up with the screen itself, because if it's not on, then you can't really tell where it's lining up. So just squeeze it in the middle first and then work your way out. And it seems like they didn't include a toolkit where you could slide all these bubbles out, but we can just use our fingers for now and see how it goes. So let's see. Okay, it's lined up right there. So take these bubbles out. This is going to be an annoying part because now it's going to be turning on every time I double tap the phone. Just keep squeezing them until the bubbles come out. And usually if you try your best and there still is a couple bubbles in there, sometimes it takes you a few days for them to go away on their own, just because you're going to be using the phone and typing on it, and eventually it does go away on its own. So if there are a few bubbles, don't worry about it, they should go away. What I like doing is grabbing the cloth and just pressing hard on it until all the bubbles come out. So It seems like the top is pretty good already. The bottom there is a little right there. So where the fingerprint scanner is at, that's where it's at. So I'm gonna keep trying and hopefully it comes off. Sometimes you really gotta press it hard for the bubbles to come out, so don't be scared if you're gonna think that you're gonna break it, because you're not. So just press it pretty hard on it and eventually the bubbles do come out. So as you can see right there, the bubbles that were right here, they're gone now. So as you can see, earlier there was a big little bubble right there, so now they're gone. So like I said, if you press it pretty hard enough, they do eventually come out. That's what I'm saying. Some of them don't come out right away, so it takes a few days for them to come out. So let me just clean this up again with the alcohol pad so you can see how clean it came out. Go all around, and so there you have it. They came out pretty good on my first attempt. Yeah, if you think you're not confident enough to do this, just let somebody else do it. But I've done this plenty of times, so there is no easy way to do this. Some screen protectors do come with a case where it lines it up for you, and most of the time those cost more. But since, like I said, this one was on sale for $9, $9.74 to be exact, and it comes with 3 screen protectors just in case you screw up the first time. Then you do have the extra options and opportunities to try again. It came out good the first time, so as you can see right there, it's working with this fingerprint scanner. Okay, so far so good. So now we're gonna try the back one. So I'm gonna clean this little camera bump, clean that up. And this one only comes with 2. I've never done this before, so hopefully I don't mess up. We're gonna see how it goes. So you don't have to put this on. I've never actually put this on ever on a camera bump, but just a tutorial, see how it comes out. And I actually want to learn how you do this. So let's see. It seems like these 2 are for the flashes. So once it goes on, oops. Yeah, because it can't go on like this. So I'm gonna put it to the side so it could be easier for me to install. Let's see if I can take it out again. Oh, it seems. I'm gonna take it out again and do it again. That one didn't come out so good. It's actually kind of hard because the phone is very slippery and it keeps coming off. So it came out a little bit crooked, but you can't really tell. The thing is, once you stick it on, you can't really move it around. So I'm actually not gonna have it on just because I don't want it to interfere with my photos. So I'm just gonna keep it off. There you have it. If you're on the market to buy a screen protector for your OnePlus 8T, this is on sale, like I said, on Amazon, and it'll be way cheaper if you have the Amazon Prime account. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time.